RBN Radio Philippines Network, DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, DYKC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RBN Radio Philippines Network.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gungunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan, ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RBN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indukan Losenya Electrical Supply para po sa madikalidad na electrical product. Day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Holcan, San Francisco, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier. Pera padala.
Ana oras man ini hatod man sa Indoka na Nakings Fall Water Repelling Station na makukuha dyan sa atubangan kan San Isidro Elementary School digdi po sa siyudad ka na Iriga. Owned and managed by Ani Baracina, Bagapuro.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Fabric conditioner with Bloom Fresh technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold, makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong, kahit sabay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS, good pa lumipas siya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Good pa lumipas siya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Halik sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart
dishwashing paste ko.
Smart to
Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Araw kayan, pag smart ang dishwashing paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko ta. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya. In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow. White roses. White rose papaya, wow. White roses. White rose papaya. May glow up with white rose papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa protein power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of two.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mga karonda, madangog na sa programa Bareta Asin Platika. Makonsuelo. Talagang kakaiba. Bareta Asin Platika. This program is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Free senior high school? Yes, free. Only at Sigera Technological Colleges. No tuition fee. Covered by the SHS voucher program. Free uniform. Free PE uniform. Free school ID. And even free transportation within Nabwa, Bato, Mountain Unit, Iriga City proper, and Baao. That's right. Quality education with less gastos for your family. Either being a student taking the academic track or technical professional track, enjoy quality learning facilities, dedicated and caring teachers, a safe and supportive campus environment. Dito sa Sigera, libre na, di kalidad pa ang edukasyon. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now at Sigera Technological Colleges Senior High School. Bring your dreams. We will take care of the rest. Class starts on June 15, 2026. Be one of us. Be a citizen Senior High School. Your future career starts with the right choice. Take the next step at Sigera Technological Colleges, your partner in achieving academic excellence and professional success. Offering competitive degree programs like Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Management, Major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major in Food Service Management, Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Engineering Technology, Major in Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major in Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communication Technology at CTC. You don't just earn a degree. You gain industry-relevant skills, hands-on experience, leadership training, and a strong foundation for your career. Sigera prepared me not just to graduate, but to succeed in the real world. Be part of a college that builds leaders, innovators, and professionals. Enroll now at Sigera Technological Colleges. Visit our campus or connect with us online today by visiting and messaging our official Facebook page. Enrollment is ongoing. Classes starts on first semester of academic year 2026 to 2027 on August 17, 2026. This is the Sigera Technological Colleges. Knowledge, skills, and discipline.
Ngayong darating na Agosto, magaganap ang Ligtas-Tigdas Measles Rubella Supplemental Immunization Activity. Pabakunahan ng ating mga anak, edad 6 hanggang 59 gulang o wala pang 5 taong gulang sa mga vaccination sites. Pumunta sa pinakamalapit na health center o sumangguni sa nurse at midwife sa inyong barangay. Magpabakuna para sa Ligtas-Tigdas, Bicol.
Sa liwat na selebrasyon kan kapiestahan ni Ina Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, hangad niya mo ang sa indong kaligtasan asin biyaya sa lambang familia. Ang mensaheng ini hatod sa indo kan MSS Driving School Corporation. Good news sa lahat ng gustong magkaroon ng Student Driver's Permit o Non-Professional Driver's License. Narito na sa Iriga ang MSS Driving School Corporation, located at Highway 1, San Isidro, Iriga City, in front of LTO District Office. MSS Driving School Corporation offers theoretical driving course for student permit and non-professional driver's license. MSS Driving School Corporation is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. At ang kanilang main branch ay matatagpuan sa Lucena City. Meron din silang mga branches sa Pili, Cumaca, Quezon, Alabat, Quezon, Buak, Marinduque, Candelaria, Quezon, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Torrijos, Marinduque, at San Juan, Batangas. MSS Driving School Corporation is now in Iriga City. Tara na, maging professional drivers. Mag-enroll sa MSS Driving School Corporation. MSS Driving School Corporation is owned and managed by Mr. Joven B. Colina. Just contact 0965-653-3349 or 0915-032-0490. Happy Fiesta, Bicolandia. Viva la Virgen. Viva el Divino Rostro.
Ana Piña Francia live coverage sa tudman sa Indokan mga minasunod na sponsor. Jerry Navarez, Chief Land Transportation Officer, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Dote Bareta Asin Family, Salcedo Gravel and Sand Dealer, care of Wen Salcedo Aguilar, San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. Buracan Sariles, PNR Site San Francisco, Iriga City, and Buracan Flower Arrangement Services, Alpelor Street, San Miguel, Iriga City. Honorable Antonia Ani Busadre, San Francisco, Iriga City. France Emporium, San Roque, Iriga City. Attorney Rico Di Borromeo, San Francisco, Iriga City. Reverend Father Danilo R. Aguilar, Pares Prest, Our Lady of Salvacion, Salvacion, Iriga City. Honorable Nestor Andales, Liga ng mga Barangay President, San Agustin, Iriga City. Honorable Jorel Kaayaw and Family, Iriga City Councilor Anita Tirao Apolinar, Zone 6, Tarusan Street, San Francisco, Iriga City. Nileta Marmol Gregorio and Family, Calcedonia Street, San Isidro, Iriga City. JM Oralios Funeral Homes, The Original, San Isidro, Iriga City. Sa Zaindo po, Gabos, kami po nagpapasalamat.
An RPN DZKI 1332 kHz Radyo Ronda, Iriga City, nakikisumaros sa pagselebrar kan kapistahan ni Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia Asin Divino Rostro ngunyan na taon na 2026. Uya ang mga sponsors kan samuyang Peña Francia Festival 2026 Special Coverage. Barangay Kagawad, Eugene M. Bagaporo and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Viro Couture by Ronnie Gutierrez Visitacion, owned and managed by Ronnie G. Visitacion, located at Zone 2 La Purisima Street, Goa, Camarines Sur, with contact number 0968-235-8572. Felisa, Timonay, and family, Great Rapids City, State of Michigan, United States of America, and San Nicolas, Iriga City.
Sa pagrukyaw kang kapiyastahan ni ina, patron kan Kabikolan, Nuestra Señora de Peña, Francia, maamot niya mo ang padagos na katuninungan, asin biyaya ng Diyos sa lambang familia. Ang RPN DZKI Radyo Ronda Iriga, katuwang ang mga minasunod na sponsors, nagpapasalamat sa gigibuhon na live coverage kan traslasyon asin fluvial procession ngunyan na taon 2026. Honorable Leonardo Jun Narito Jr., Municipal Vice Mayor, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Honorable Attorney Shai Fajardo Noble, Board Member, 5th District, Camarines Sur. Punong Barangay Nilsitas Azul, Vermas and Family, Barangay Luluwasan, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Honorable Princess May Berses Masbanwa and Family, SK Federation President, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Former Municipal Councilor Ruben de los Santos Briones. Police Major Engelbert L. Toraldo, Chief of Police, Baao Municipal Police Station. Police Captain Rolando R. Rigaspi Jr., Chief of Police, Balatan Municipal Police Station, Manghente Beach Resort, Pararaw, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by Mrs. Adel Fajardo Manghente and Blisilda Manghente Elevado, Lalas Boutique and Minimart and BJSN Store, Poblacion, Siramag, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Samantas Place Resort and Events Place. Get relaxed and feel the ocean breeze that you're looking for. With your family open for any types of events, located at Zone 4, Barangay Duran, Balatan, Camarines Sur. For inquiries, message their FB page at Samantas Place, Gear Tracking Services, Las Piñas, to any point in the Philippines. Owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Balagat and family. For inquiries or reservation, contact 0906-733-4144. Milestream Water Refilling Station and Milestream Variety Store, located in front of Balatan Municipal Police Station. Owned and managed by Mr. Christian Elio, Mr. Gino Lumitao and family, also known as Mandaragat TV. Tunewave Lights and Sounds. Services offered: sounds and lights, square trusses, lead wall, stage roofing, lead dance floor, band equipments, generator, cold sparkler, DJ spinner. Tunewave Lights and Sounds is located at Barangay Santa Cruz Sur, Iriga City. For inquiries, contact 0929-6251-842. Tunewave Lights and Sounds is owned and managed by Mr. Ruben M. No. M. Daily Grocery. Items are very affordable. Your everyday one-stop shop, located at Zone 1, Barangay Pararaw, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Jello and Josh Water Refilling Station, located at Zone 2, Barangay Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by Josel Belmonte Ani. Saks Flower Shop, Zone 5, Highway 1, San Miguel, Iriga City, Neryusan, Iriga. Services offered: car surprise, bouquet for birthday, anniversary, money bouquet, wedding, sympathy flowers for funerals or any kind of flowers arrangements, retailer and wholesaler. For inquiries, follow their FB page at Zach's Flower Shop and Ani Store, located at Barangay Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Diyos mabalos sa saindo po gabos. Sa liwat na selebrasyon kan kapiyastahan ni ina, Nuestra Señora de Peña, Francia, hangad niya mo ang sa indong kaligtasan asin biyaya sa lambang familia. Ang mensaheng ini hatod sa indo kan MSS Driving School Corporation. Good news sa lahat ng gustong magkaroon ng Student Driver's Permit o Non-Professional Driver's License. Narito na sa Iriga ang MSS Driving School Corporation, located at Highway 1, San Isidro, Iriga City, in front of LTO District Office. MSS Driving School Corporation offers theoretical driving course for student permit and non-professional driver's license. MSS Driving School Corporation is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. At ang kanilang main branch ay matatagpuan sa Lucena City. Meron din silang mga branches sa Pili, Cumaca, Quezon, Alabat, Quezon, Buak, Marinduque, Candelaria, Quezon, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Torrijos, Marinduque, at San Juan, Batangas. MSS Driving School Corporation is now in Iriga City. Tara na, maging professional drivers. Mag-enroll sa MSS Driving School Corporation. MSS Driving School Corporation is owned and managed by Mr. Joven B. Colina. Just contact 0965-653-3349 or 0915-032-0490. Happy Fiesta, Bicolandia. Viva la Virgen. Viva el Divino Rostro.
RPN DCKI Iriga joins the joyous celebration of Piña Francia Fiesta 2026 with this year's theme, Ina Nurturing a Growing Church, coinciding with the 144th Feast of the Divino Rostro and the 316th Feast of the Solemnity of Our Lady of Piña Francia. The whole coverage of events and activities for the week-long celebration will be brought to you live through the broadcast facilities of RPN DCKI Iriga with the following sponsors: RBO Events Place and Fitness Gym, San Vicente Gorong-Gorong, Nabua, Camarines Sur, owned and managed by Barangay Kagawad, Reynaldo B. Orante and family. Tisnado Family, San Isidro Poblacion, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Mr. and Mrs. Pedro Longasa and family, San Francisco, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Honorable Ruben G. Villares III, Municipal Councilor, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Honorable Ronel P. Ramos, Barangay Kagawad, San Vicente Obon, Nabua, Camarines Sur. And Honorable Rosie Nalyatan, Barangay Kagawad, Santa Cruz, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Sa inman kita mapaduman, an sa tuyang puso, pirming mabalik, sa runa kan Bicolandia. Huli sa pagkamuot kiina, sa satuyang pag-iriba, ngunya nakapistahan, lugod magdanay ang satuyang paglaong, kusog nin buot, asin pagkamuot sa lambang sarot. An minsaheng ini, hatod sa satuya, ni Board Member Donaan Roy Onyate, kan ikalimang distrito kan Camarines Sur. Welcome sa Bicolandia. Happy Fiesta. Viva la Virgen. Viva el Divino Rostro.
Sa inman na sulukan ring kunada, Asin Bicolandia, nakatutok na sa mga Bareta Asin Platika.
DWIZ 882 at RPN Provincial Stations. Mas pinalakas.
Paano ito po mas problema, yung mga na-damage na pagkain, farm.
Okay.
Aha.
Dapang mga pananim, ayan.
Aha.
Sabi mo naman kanina nag-assessment na si Secretary.
O yan.
He has ordered the full
assessment.
Full assessment.
Immediate,
Immediate assessment.
Ngayon din, ora mismo. Assess nyo yan. Bigat ng utos eh. Ang bigat ng press release. Ito pare,
isa pa yan, may ramping up ka ba? Tapos
may
assessment.
1.4 billion na raw ang damage ng agriculture sector. Ang halimbawa, yung Benguet farmers, itinapon na lamang mahigit na 6 na toneladang ani harvest. Vegetables, okay? Paano yan? Sabi po ng Department of Agriculture, ano daw yan? Kailangan tulungan ng mga farmers struggling with weather disruption. Bukod sa immediate assessment, kailangan tulungan. Ano kaya ang klaseng tulong?
Ba, nakita mo naman. Sunod-sunod na yan. Do not skip. Huwag ninyong
titipirin ang relief.
Ityani ang inyong mga relief.
Ngayon, tutulungan na raw yung farmers.
Yeah, huwag kayo magtyani dyan.
Ewan ko ba't tinapon? Kasi daw, yung nagdi-deliver, sa haba ng pila,
hindi na
nabulok na yung nagdi-deliver. Ano, LTFRB ba to?
Logistics yung paborito ni paring
Kinamatay na nung kaibigan ko ni Rene Pamintuan yan eh. Logistics at cold storage eh. Na dapat matagal nang ginawa. Dapat matagal ng ano.
First.
At saka wala raw bumibili. Nag-harvest sila. Pagdating nila doon sa bagsakan, walang bumibili. Yung iba, hindi na nakarating, tinapon na lang. Yung nakarating, walang bumibili.
That's terrible. For an agricultural country na meron tayong problema talaga sa food production.
So, ibig sabihin,
tapos nagtatapon ka ng
pag may bagyong ganyan, wala tayong sistema para magtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ikot ng trade ng kalakalan. Walang sistema yung DA.
Dapat yan ang sinasabi, huwag nating iwasan ang mga problema.
Yan. Nagsabi po ang
Phillip. Hindi, kinikwento ko nga kay paring Conrad. A couple of months ago, naulit na to nung nagtatapon ng mga vegetables. Sinabi ni Secretary, ay kayo kasi, tatanim kayo, wala kayong plano. Sobra kayo magtanim.
Kasalanan
nyo yan.
Ayan.
Ngayon naman.
Hindi na ngayon yan.
Immediate assessment.
Immediate assessment na yan.
At least may
iba na niya.